Welcome to Mobile Electronic Diagnostic and Best Car Fixes. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Today we have 2004 Mercury Sable. Beautiful car. This car have remote start, and I always tell my customer to have a spare key. A spare key is a peace of mind. So we cut this key for him, and you see now this key doesn't crank the car. And the reason why, because the security light is flashing and it's not programmed yet. This car, if you have two working key, you can add the key by yourself. By turning the key on, start the car, put the next one, turn it on, start the car, then put the third one, it will take it automatically. Now, we are trying to use our Autek. I already connected to add this key. Okay, we need to add the key because it have a remote starter. Do not delete no keys unless if the slot is full, which is take like 8 keys or 6 key. Now I'm gonna click OK. This machine here is good. It's work for almost a lot of cars, and as a technician you need to have something like that in your hand. Okay, so Ford is okay. I'm gonna go to M as in Mercury. Click yes. By vehicle click yes. Mercury what? Mercury Sable. You see, those are all Mercury Sable. What year? I'm surprised why they don't put 2004. 98, 2001, 2002, 3, 4 is not there. So I'm gonna choose 5. Key. This machine you have to put token from time to time. That means you have to upgrade it or connect it to the tool. If it's not, it will not work. Now all key lost. I don't need to do that. Add a key or all key lost. So I'm gonna say add a key. Click OK. Supposed to initialize and start the process. Pin code error. Do you believe that you need a pin code? Shouldn't ask pin code. Should just work with it. Okay. I don't want to do all key lost. So what I'm gonna do is I have to use another tools. It doesn't want to add a key. I'm gonna add another tools, and then we see what's gonna happen. This is an aftermarket tools, and they say he need a pin code. I don't have no pin code for it. Maybe I'm gonna go to another software. This is what you get if you are using aftermarket tools all the time. You have to. Okay, let me check 2008. You see jump numbers. Okay, I'm gonna go to something else. Grand Marquis, for example, or Mountaineer. Okay, also 2003. Okay, let me see. If you ask me about the pin code, ignition is on. Add a key. Don't tell me pin code missing. Error pin code. We don't know why the error pin code. But if you use some tools, okay, Mountaineer, Sable, Grand Marquis. This have a 4. So let me see what it's gonna say. You have to try all this. If it doesn't work, get another tool. But just I want to tell you, down the road when you deal with the cars, you will getting all this trouble. And this one here, I have to use another tool, and let's see if the other tool will work fine. Come back. Okay, welcome back again. As usual, we always try to have aftermarket tools. It helps and it doesn't have too much complication, but it fails sometimes a lot. I don't know why it doesn't want to take programming on this part. I'm using the dealer tools, which is VCM2, and there is VCM3 for 2020 cars and 2021. And now I'm gonna go use my laptop, connect it to the USB, and I want to see if we'll be able to see something. Okay, that machine, he said no, something wrong, we cannot do it, but I'm gonna use the dealer tools, what the dealer use, and then we take it from there. It takes some time. It have their own way of stop you from doing something, but it is a great tool. What great tool? Because this is the software that recognized by Ford, and Ford does it, and you have to update it every time. And when they first start, it is for Ford, Jaguar, Mazda, Land Rover. They're using the same platform, the same IDS. Then split. Now Mazda take his own way, Range Rover take his own way, Jaguar took another way. But if you want to do Jaguar or Land Rover, and if the car, for example, 2002, the Jaguar Land Rover software will change automatically back to IDS. I did a Jaguar last time, and it come back to this section, which is great tools. Now I need to read the information of this car.
The red one?
You see now, this is 2004, May 2004, vehicle Sable. It will recognize everything, VIN number and everything one by one. But if you are using, let me turn the car off, ignition on. If you are using the other tools, it will only do keys. It cannot do diagnosis. This one can do diagnosis, can do verification, programming. You see the VIN number is here. Download software, as-built data, rebuilt. All transmission people, they're using this one. It have all functions. You know, like here, if I do the test, it will test the whole car. This one only key. Even sometimes the code you will not read. This is for the locksmith people. Okay. I just try to give you information. So like now, look here. Do you want to diagnose the whole car? I don't want to go to diagnosis because my mission is to do something else. I'm going to go to body. Look how they work. By the way, if you have newer cars like 2015, 2016, 2017, some of the car, Ford Fusion, if you change the computer, you will not be able to do it with this one unless you have to have a locksmith license or a lower license. Okay, minimum key require 2, maximum 8. So ignition is on, but this one it takes 10 minutes. So I'm gonna click OK, and now you're gonna see the security will stay there, and it will start writing the key. 10 minutes. It will ask you what you need to do. You say write the key. It will click on it. It will write the key. It will ask you, do you want to write another one? You say no, and that's it. You close the system. Now it's gaining the access. The 2014, 15, and some cars, for example, you change the transmission, computer, you change the body control module. You want to do the key now. You must have access to them, approved, and then you come back to finish the programming. Okay, this key here, by the way, also sometimes if you change computer or cluster on those cars, it requires 2 keys to do the work. Just also put in consideration. I'm gonna stop here for a little while. In 10 minutes I will come back, or 9 minutes. Okay, we are back to our car again because we have 10 minutes. You remember, this 10 minutes supposed to be done already. I just delay. They are fixing the other car. This is the update for it, if you want to update it every time. Okay, now in progress, it say. If it's in progress, sometime you have to push here to see if it's really in progress or why. But I believe it's in progress. So don't be in hurry for it. Oh my God, you see a battery. The battery for the laptop is dying, so I'm gonna get the battery too. Okay, it's in progress, and you see that gap, the wide gap you have to close. Okay, now he say this operation is successful. What you're gonna do, just click next. Access guarantee. What do you want to do? Program additional key. If you want to clear all the key also is possible, but I just want to program additional key. You put the key inside. I already put the key that I need to program in here. So what's gonna happen now, I just gonna click OK next. Program successful. Do you want to program another key? I say no. Do you want to go to the path section? No. Okay, turn the ignition to the off. Disconnect the DLC, wait 10 seconds, cycle the new key inside. Okay, what's gonna happen is, I'm gonna turn the ignition off, take it out, wait 10 seconds, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, I'm gonna put the ignition in, turn it on, that light go out. You can go again, turn it on, stay on, then we'll go off. Ting, that's it. Start the car, the key is registered perfectly. And here, everything go back to the normal. I'm trying to say that if you are a professional automotive engineer or automotive technician, please, if you are working, just look at your major. If you are majoring in Ford, get Ford software and buy the subscription for 1 year. It costs you about less than $1,000, and the module is like maybe $1,500 or on the laptop, and you're good to go to do all your work on Ford, maybe $3,000-4,000, and you're good to go. But do not try to like if you don't work a lot of Ford, you don't need that one. But this is a quick information. Thank you for watching Mobile Electronic Diagnostic. This is Muhammad Idris. See you in another video.